Good morning, or maybe not, depending on when you're watching this video. If you are new here, my name is Katie. I'm the K in Salvaged by K. Scott. As you can see, I'm back in the van, which can mean only one thing. It's thrifting day. I'm going to try and hit up 4 or 5 local stores today. I'm not really looking for anything in particular home decor wise, but I am on the hunt for a specific piece of furniture. That being said, if I find something that's really speaking to me, I will more than likely pick it up. I have a pint of this gorgeous, almost neon red color paint called Devotion by Country Chic Paint. It's actually their February color of the month. So I'm looking for a piece of furniture that I can put this on and make fabulous again. All right, I think they just opened the doors. Let's head on in. I don't know what it is about tarnished brass, but it sucks me in every time. These vintage Nancy Drew books would look so stunning styled on a shelf. If the cubbies on this were just a little bit bigger, it would be great for storing mugs. The basket selection was pretty slim today at Value Village. I did pick up this little guy though, perfect to stuff a plant in. Time for tea. It's so cute. This vase is super cute too. Very boho. Someone donated their whole little puppy collection. And there's a kitty cat too. Aren't these gorgeous? Golden amethyst. Stunning. I was incredibly tempted to pick up this sandcastle cookie jar. It's so much fun. This basket vase screams anthropology to me. Very boho. And this adorable hobnail milk glass lamp would be so cute in a little girl's room. If I had any sort of upholstery skills whatsoever, I totally would have snapped up this rocking chair. So much potential here. Well, hello boho. Look at this incredible set. It's only $125 for the table and all 4 chairs. This is the top of an old china hutch. I might go back and grab it, add some legs to the bottom, and it would be a great storage piece. Well, I managed to hit up 5 different thrift stores and make it back home completely empty-handed. That's just how it goes sometimes when you're thrifting. You definitely need to have a lot of patience and persistence in the thrifting game. I'll head back out and do my rounds in a day or two and see if I can find any special treasures that absolutely have to come home with me. Thank you guys so much for following along. Make sure that you tap that subscribe button before you leave this video, and I'll catch you guys next time.
I never made it.